Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. By the way, I want you to all smash the like button and subscribe. I know a lot of you usually do not do that, so I would appreciate that. And I promise you, if you are looking to learn how to stake your min tokens, that's MIN, then you're definitely going to enjoy this one. All right, so the entire market is up. We're going to do a quick refresh. I'm up about 12 to 14% on my portfolio today. So that's good. I'm mostly in Cardano plus low cap altcoins. And even Bitcoin's up, I think it was about 8 or 9% at one point. So doing good, doing good. So if we go to MinSwap, this is a DEX, so a decentralized exchange for Cardano. We're going to open up the app. And what was just released at 10 p.m. EST. So if we take a look, we are October 1st, 11:47 p.m. I'm editing, working on a different online course. And I notice now if you go to earn, not under farming, so if we go to farming, you can check out your yield farming. Now farming is when you pair two assets and you earn a little bit of rewards for providing liquidity. Now if we go here under staking, you can now stake your min. Okay, really cool. So I want to get into a couple things as well for this. So if you don't have any min, this is what we're going to pay attention to in this video. I want to pick up a little bit more because I'm going to go through my reasons why I want to get into this 6 month specifically. Okay, so if you go to trade and I have my Trezor Model T plugged in, you should always use a hardware wallet. We have links for you if you do want to pick one up. That's going to save you a lot. So if we do maybe 500 ADA and we swap for some min, let's see how much we get. Okay, we're closer here. Let's do 1,000 ADA. Let's get our position to about, 15,000. Actually, I'm just going to double check here. Make sure our slippage is reasonable. Sometimes, you tend to forget. So we're at 0.5%. That should go through. We'll keep it at 1%. That should be fine. So we're going to do 1,000 ADA, okay? And we're going to swap. So we're definitely at the lows, in my opinion. We're, if not, very close to it. So if you want to pick up some min tokens, this is how you do it. Okay, I want this video to be as informational as possible for you all. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up some min and we're going to stake on the MinSwap dApp, decentralized exchange. Okay, so once this order goes over here, it gets filled, then we will have more to play with. So what we're going to do is take a look as well. So this order will go through currently in our wallet. Let's see what we have. We've got 10,000. We should be at about 25,000 very soon. Now, the big thing is we've got the halving, and that's happening around April. This is going to, in my opinion, spike the next bull run. So what's important to understand here when you're getting into staking is that you are locking in your assets. So for example, let's say April 17th or around the time of the next Bitcoin halving, altcoins go nuts. I assume this will happen several months after. However, today, if we take a look at min, okay, and you always want to research, it's more important to research. If you only have a couple $100 in crypto, buy an online course that I have. Invest in your information because you're going to lose it anyways later on if you don't know what you're doing. Now, what we're getting at here is that if this token goes from a penny to 10 cents and it 5x's and you want to sell, or if it goes to $1 in your staking, well, you're going to be screwed because you locked in your assets. So you want to be smart. So for example, and this should have gone through. Now we have a little bit more to play with. Now we have 25,000 to play with, okay? And by the way, I think this is a good time to get in anyways. So if we look at the 1 year, we're up 7%. And quite frankly, this will go up more than Cardano, in my opinion. A lot of people are going to use this DEX. So what I'm getting at here is that if you've got under earn for staking, you've got 6 month 9-month, 3-month options. You do not want to be in the 9-month, because what's going to happen is right now we're in October. The next halving is April of 2024. So you got October, November, December, January, February, March, April. That's 7 months away. So in 7 months, if this goes parabolic, well, you're still going to be staking and you're not going to be able to sell in time. So I recommend the 6-month. So we're going to get into the 6-month. Okay, we're going to lock in 100%. So we're going to get out our staking before the halving. And I think that's a much smarter play. Okay, so we're going to give this a shot here. And I've never done this yet. So wish me luck. I've seen the numbers go down. I don't even think we're going to get 50% within a couple days. I think it's going to adjust dramatically. So that's why I'm doing this video right now. So if we can get 50% on this, that is not bad. That's a good return. Okay, in 5 months, like, that's ridiculous. Now again, I don't think this is going to last. These numbers are going to continue to drop. The 9-month was at 125%. And that's somewhat, that is just not going to happen. Okay, so by the way, we're going to be earning ADA here. Okay, but what you want to remember is that if you're locking in 25,000 tokens as an example of what I'm doing, you want to be able to get out before we're at the end of the bull market. Okay, so right now we're in a bear market. I would say we're in consolidation mode. We're flatlining, so that's good to see. So if we go in the charts, we'll do Bitcoin as an example. If we look at the 1 year, we're up 45%. Okay, but we're starting to go sideways, bull run, sideways, bull run, sideways, bull run soon. Okay, so that's where I think we're at, because the halving, what this is, by the way, for those of you that do not know, the amount of new supply of new Bitcoin that the miners receive for Bitcoin mining, it gets cut in half. So Bitcoin becomes scarce. Every 4 years this happens, and we're inching closer, 7 months away. So that's very important to think about. Okay, so these numbers are changing dramatically. So if we do a refresh, as you can see here, we've got 48%, and we're going to be earning, what is that? Daily ADA rewards, 3.3 ADA, it looks like. That's not 3,000. That would be awesome, though. So there's 95 stakers now. And yeah, so this unlocks in 5 months. And it looks like we can withdraw along the way. So I haven't done this yet. Comment down below. Are you guys or girls staking in the min staking? This was just released about an hour ago, so I'm pretty excited. I'm happy to have gotten in. And again, this around 5-10 minutes ago was at 125%. So if I refresh, this is going to be around 40% within like a half hour, in my opinion. Okay, so that is how you stake. And that's kind of my idea. It all revolves around the cycles that we're in as well. So again, you don't want to lock something in for 70% if the token's going to go down 90%, right? And vice versa. If we're about to go into a bull run, if this token goes from a penny to 10 cents, which it very likely will, then you're going to want to sell. And I believe this is locking in our assets. So if we go to our wallet, let's check it out. Yeah, we don't even have access to our tokens right now because we've staked for 6 months. So we've locked in all of that min for that long. Okay, so it's very important to understand. And that's about it. That's all I really wanted to go over here. So if we go back, it looks like it says 28,000 tokens. We could even see our history here. So if we go to the blockchain here, we can check out a little bit of information. Yeah, so it's 25,760. So I don't know why it's showing 28,000. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with you all. As you can see, these numbers are going down. Comment down below what APR did you get? So that's annual percentage return. And again, I'm not sure exactly how much of a return you're going to get. I know it says 6x, but again, I don't really know what they mean by that, to be honest. So I'm new to this aspect right now. Again, it was just released. So that being said, everybody, we do have a free ADA Cardano course. So check that out as well. We have that in the link in the description below. And that's all we have for you. So I hope you enjoy this. Stay loose and subscribe because we have a lot of content coming every week. Every week. Cheers.